Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn about capitalization. Capitalization is very important when we are learning how to write sentences, when we're reading books, and when we're even writing our own stories. So welcome aboard today's phonics lesson with Miss Marche. Hi, guys. All right, so let's get started. When we're capitalizing words or phrases in our writing, there are some rules that we have to follow. Rule number 1, we must capitalize the names of the days of the week, the months, holidays, and people. Rule number 2, we must capitalize countries, the names of countries, states, cities, places, and stores. Rule number 3, we must capitalize titles of books, songs, and newspapers. So, here we go. I'm going to write a sentence that has no capital letters. And then I'm going to review it by showing you how I fix what I did. Here we go. Here goes the sentence. My mom is going to New York tomorrow. So here's my sentence. And in the sentence, I only have lowercase letters at the beginning of each word. But I know that in writing, that is very important for me to make sure I put capital letters where they belong. So here's my blue marker. It's like an editing pen that I'm going to use to help me. But there's one special rule that I want to show you that's also very important when we're capitalizing words. We must, special rule, always capitalize the first letter of a sentence. And sometimes we forget to do that as writers or even phonics experts. So below, I'm going to assess and reread what I wrote here. And then below, I'm going to make my corrections. All right? My mom is going to New York tomorrow. So I know the special rule says to always capitalize the first letter of a sentence. So that's what I'm going to do down here. Here I go. So I know this letter needs to be capital. Why? Because it's the beginning of the first letter of the sentence. So my mom. Does mom need to be capital? No. Why not? Because it is not telling you my mom's name. So if it's the name of my mom, then I'll be capitalizing it. But mom does not need to be capitalized. So M-O-M is going to New York. Is New York a place? Yes, New York is a place, and that's part of rule number 2. So I have to capitalize the N in New York, make it capital, and the Y in York, because those go together. Tomorrow. Period. So did you see how I wrote my sentence, then I reread it, and then I paid attention to the rules that would help me to rewrite my sentence correctly? Thank you for joining in today's mini lesson. We're going to do some work together using our capitalization worksheet. See you soon.